Hello, my name is Wendy Restrepo Choles. I'm studying industrial engineering at the University UNAD. Today, I'm going to talk to you about the importance of competitive technological innovation in the development of a company. Competitive technological innovation as a basic for the development and growth of an organization. Purpose. We currently live a changing world due to different technological, scientific, social, cultural, political, and business advances, which has led to an increase in competition between organizations, making adjustments to legislation and regulation model, implementing strategies, uploading improvement to the products and service they offer to the maker. Technological innovation is an important factor for the success of organization. Its main purpose is to improve production process, management, logistics, quality standards, satisfy customer needs, and a product or service through the use and implementation of existing technologies in the environment. Development. Technological innovation is a fundamental tool for the development and evolution of an organization in the 21st century. It refers to the observation, collection, analysis of information related to competitors, the development of new products, marketing strategies, detection of threats and changes in the sector, find financial allies, and identify existing technological threats in the business environment. To successfully achieve technological innovation, technology surveillance must be carried out, which consists of identifying new government policies, environmental standards, activities, production process, customer needs, new products, suppliers, technologies available in the market. Market in order to detect changes and opportunities for investment and marketing of the product or product offered. Conclusion. Competitive technological innovation have become a critical resource for the development and growth of organizations in the current business environment. It allows companies to stay abreast of the latest technological trends, make informed strategic decisions, stay competitive, and foster innovation. Those organizations that actively embrace and apply competitive technology intelligence will be best positioned to thrive in increasingly technology-driven world. Thank you.